Hi, this is Lisa from Local King Robert Stan. The Mr. Dress Up promotion is coming back, and this is the project that we are going to work on today. That's started. Okay, so we are going to use the Local King Magic Mushroom for this colorful background. I'm going to show you how easy it is. And then we are going to use the Mr. Dress Up stamp set and the matching die set. So in this tutorial, the Mr. Dress Up promotion is going to be you will get a set of stamps and you also get a set of matching die cut, plus you are going to get this full little hat die. So this die cut you can make a 4 different kind of hat and just add on top. It's pretty cute. All together is only for $39.99 plus free shipping. So that's started. Okay, so Mr. Dress Up comes with 4 different kind of costume. There is a graduation, there is a birthday, there is a Halloween, there is a Christmas. So just with one set, you can create a lot of different kind of card. And if you are new to Local King's Magic Mushroom, please make sure you check our online tutorial. There's a lot of tutorial to show you how to use those wonderful products. Okay, so Local King's Magic Mushroom are perfect for blending and also is a perfect tool for use a stencil. There is a lot of stencil on the market. There is the paper one. There is also the vinyl one. So today I'm going to just use this one, and this is the one I just got from Judy King. You can check their website. They have a lot of nice stencils available. So I have my cardstock here already, and the red card size is a 5.50 by 11. The white cardstock is 5.5 by 10.5. So this is what this is what I already did. So I already marked the place that I'm going to cut. So don't panic, just see the attached photo, and I have a very nice drawing for you. You just follow up. So I am going to color the background before I do the cutting. I just found out that's much easier to do this way. Okay, so this card, I only want to color on the top of my cardstock. So I place a piece of scrap paper and I use a washing tape to tape the bottom part, so I make sure I don't want to make that part dirty. And then we just start with a light color, and then you can just gently tap. Okay, when you push harder, it becomes darker. When you release a little bit pressure, the color will become lighter. And then we're going to use the orange color. When you change the color, always kind of testing on your scrap paper first. Start with a gently tap tap. If it's not enough, we are going to add a little bit more. So don't just push too hard, like add too dark. Once when you make it too dark, you cannot turn back. So just gently tapping. Okay, let's do a little bit more. So after I color my background, and I just cut all the places that's supposed to be, and then so don't panic, just see the attached photo. I have a layout to show you where you should cut and where you should scrub. So that's what's the background look like. I think it looks really pretty already, right? See the different stencil? It totally come out differently. So for the Mr. Dress Up, I'm going to just color. I'm going to just fast forward it. And for this birthday banner, and please check out a tutorial. In the other tutorial, I already show how to make this birthday banner. These birthday banners is come from our easel die set. The easel die comes with easel die and also come with 2 extra bonus. So if you don't know how to make this birthday banner, just make sure you check out the tutorial. Okay, so I put Mr. Dress Up and I put my sentiment here, and the only one thing I want to show you how to do it. I already have a tutorial to show you how to make this birthday banner, just in case. So you put a piece of twine in the back, you glue it. So and then don't trimming nothing yet. And then I push, I use punch 2 small hole, and I have these nice flower bread, and then you just choose 2 color. Okay, so in my tutorial, I am always trying to share great tips with you. So this is one of our bonus from the easel die. After you die cut it, they are like this. So you can just folding it and they can sit on your car. You can make it like a 3D. But I found out this is perfect to make a Christmas, not Christmas, sorry, the birthday banners. And then after your twine is completely dry, you can start to trimming. So just trimming the bottom of each letters, and then they will make a perfect birthday banner. So the easel die cast, it comes with 2. One is a birthday, one is a thank you. So that's just finished trimming. If you don't you don't put the twine on, you're gonna spend a lot of time to glue each letter. That's going to drive you insane. So after that, I put the 2 little flower breads on top, and then we're going to just put the twine just kind of like circling around that bread to secure the banner, and I will be right back. Okay, last thing is when you put your glue on the base of your cardstock, make sure you don't put the glue on those column, those 3 columns that they pop out. So if you put the glue here, it's going to stick. So I didn't even put here. So just on the bottom and on the top, you just put it a little bit. Okay, and then we are going to set on top of that basic cardstock. So just try to put your folding line in the middle, like this, and then you close. Isn't that pretty? I think during this critical time, maybe this card can keep the kids at home a little bit busy and put a smile on your face. And so Mr. Dress Up's promotion, you will get the stamp set and the matching die set plus this little hat. So I just cut it and put a little hat and a little jewel on top of the hat, and that's a beautiful birthday card. So this is today's tutorial. I hope you like it, and just something extra here. So we are using this easel die. The easel die comes with 2 extra bonus. I think this easel die is also on sale too. Regular price is $44.95 and now it's $39.99 plus free shipping. Those 2 dies you can do a lot of things. What I did in this card is I just cut a few strips here, and I just use a die cut a few color cardstock, and then you can do like all of them, like a thank you, just like this, or you can just use a thank you. This is just a letter chips. I don't know where did I get it. I have a while ago. I think that will make a beautiful card, and put some ladybugs here. So this card, because it's too simple, I don't even want to do the tutorial. The only one great tip is, because when I put these color strips, I don't know how long I want to do, how short I want to do. So I just put it first, and then after you finish, you can just trim it, or use a trimmer. So that will help you to make perfect card, just like that. That's another quick tips. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I think Looks like we all stuck at home for a while, and I am working on a lot of a tutorial and hoping those tutorial will keep you busy. Thank you for watching. This is Lisa from Low Cooking Rubber Stamp. See you next time.